Last week, we studied the balance sheet of your RE/MAX franchise, which is the financial picture of your company. This week, we're going to study the income statement, which is not a picture, but a video. This time, we're going to see the financial video of your RE/MAX franchise. It's not at a specific point in time as the balance sheet, but a video of a period of time. Maybe it is 1 month, 1 quarter, 1 semester, or 1 year. So financial video of your company is the income statement, and that's what we're going to study today. To explain the financial video of your company, the income statement of your RE/MAX franchise, I will borrow this image from the same book as last week, Accounting Made Simple by Mike Piper. Again, I recommend you buy this book from Amazon. It says here income statement. I will use my highlighter. Normally, and I'm a little bit surprised that Mr. Piper didn't include it here, normally you would have a period of time specified. Again, this can be a month, a quarter, a semester, or a year. Then there are several parts to any income statement. One is the revenue, the income that you have received. Then we will deduct the operating expenses. That's going to give us the difference of those two will give us the operating income. Then we will add or deduct the other income and expenses that you might have, and that's going to give us the net income, and this is before taxes. So let's take a look. Let's see how is this company doing. Let us assume that this is for, I'm going to say, 1 quarter, first quarter of this year. Let's see how did this company do. Well, we see that they have sales of $450,000. That is the commissions that they earn. This is all income from commissions in a typical RE/MAX franchise. Then they have cost of goods sold. In our case, it is going to be 0 because we don't carry inventory. So we don't have a direct cost to our commissions. Gross profit for this company is $375,000. Okay, interesting. Then they have the operating expenses, which we will deduct from the revenue. They are paying rent of $45,000 per quarter. That means $15,000 a month. That's their rent expense, their office lease. They are paying salaries for $120,000, advertising of $25,000, insurance of $10,000. Total operating expenses is $200,000. So they have a gross profit of $375,000, and they also have operating expenses of $200,000. The difference is the operating income. Difference is $175,000 for the first quarter of this year. Okay, interesting. They are making money. That's good. Then there is other income and expenses. In this case, there is a gain on sale of an investment. So probably it looks like a piece of real estate maybe. So it is something that they sold. Not the entire amount of the sale price will be recorded here. Most of that will be recorded in the balance sheet, which we saw last week. What they are going to record here in the income statement is just the capital gain, the gain on sale of that investment in particular. And they are also paying interests for loans that they have. So they had a capital gain of $25,000, but at the same time, they have an interest expense of $13,000. And the other income and expenses is a net of $12,000. This $12,000, which is a positive number, will be added to the $175,000 that we had before as operating income. We're going to add this $12,000, and we see that this company, this RE/MAX franchise in the first quarter had a net income or net profit of $187,000, which is good. That's good. Kudos to this company. So this is basically it, guys. What I want to accomplish in this series of 4 videos is I want to pique your interest. I want to motivate you to study your accounting, your bookkeeping, your finances. You need to know this really, really well. You need to know what's in it. Are you making money or not? What is the financial picture, the balance sheet? What is the financial video, the income statement? So please have these important meetings with your accountant. It is key to the success of your RE/MAX franchise that you know your accounting. Until next week, when we will study financial ratios, and then we're gonna wrap it up. That's gonna be the end of this video series. Thank you and good luck.